Welcome to the Culinary Arts program at Angelo ISD, where students discover the art and science of cooking and gain valuable skills through hands-on experience in a professional kitchen environment. In the Culinary Arts program, students learn hands-on skills in planning, preparing, and managing food and beverage operations. We focus on the fundamentals of cooking, from understanding ingredients to mastering techniques that professional chefs use every day. Students also learn the importance of kitchen safety, teamwork, and managing a food service operation.
The reason why I like this program so much is because it just shows you different ways of cooking and different ways of preparing food and testing out different foods. And that's what I love most about culinary. We took our test over food handlers, I believe last year. Every vendor in the state of Texas needs that, and it would help us a lot, way more on our resume.
Beyond the classroom, our students have the opportunity to volunteer at community events, gaining real-world experience in the hospitality industry. This hands-on learning not only helps them sharpen their culinary skills, but also allows them to give back to the community and understand the role of hospitality in bringing people together.
We've got some working at the country club now. We've had a few that have partnered with the base and worked at the commissary out there. We do local events with the restaurant association. We just got through doing Taste of San Angelo. We'll do one with the symphony at the end of the year. It's a polo match where we serve lunch and then go back and serve dinner. So they're getting real world experience working with these people, and a lot of them get job offers after we do the events.
The Culinary Arts program also introduces students to the business side of the food industry, managing a kitchen, planning menus, and ensuring that everything runs smoothly. These experiences prepare them for careers in restaurants, hotels, catering, and even entrepreneurship.
If you're thinking about joining Culinary Arts program, which if you're coming into high school, it'll just help you throughout your whole life basics and just help you with the cooking in general, because if you're by yourself, then you're going to be cooking for yourself, and Culinary Arts will help you with that very much.
Explore the Culinary Arts program, where students turn their passion for cooking into a future filled with opportunity, creativity, and community.